Hello, NEET and JEE students. I'm sure that all of you have already been admitted in coaching or with private teachers. Many of you have taken additional online help also. But still, most of you face the problem of clearing your individual doubts. Is it the same for you too? Every day, after learning from coaching or private teachers or online coaching, students tend to have individual doubts but cannot clear them. Either the student is too shy to ask the teachers, or the teacher is too busy to give additional time for specific doubt clearing. But doubt means problem and deduction of marks in exam if it is not cleared. Presenting Educlears AI, specialist in JEE and NEET preparation with artificial intelligence to identify all your doubts, assisted by one-to-one teacher for clearing them. Call us for the easiest and best way to crack NEET and JEE.